Alright guys, so my brake caliper seized and I'll be changing it today. First we're gonna take the pin out, and behind the caliper there are two tabs which I'll show you once I take them out. One, and there is another one at the bottom. Here it is. Looks like that. There are two pins. You'll need number 7 hex bit to unscrew them. Okay, so here is pin number 1, exactly the same as at the bottom, and the whole caliper will come out. So let's do a second one. Okay, so second pin is out. Now the whole caliper will come out. Here it is. At this point, if you're changing just the pads, you can change the pads. Take one out, get the new one in. Put some grease around the ears when you put them back. Here's the second one. Okay, so caliper is out. You can see where the pins are coming from behind, just over here and here, and locks the caliper in place. But now we need to disconnect the brake hose. You will need a 14mm spanner. At the moment it's a bit rusty, so I'll put some WD-40 to loosen it up. Okay, my hose was so rusty in the caliper over here, so I had to put the pins back to lock it in place, so I could put more force and unscrew it. So unscrewed a little bit, but I don't want to screw it anymore because I don't want to kink the hose and break it. Okay, so pins have helped. I've got it loose now. So spin the whole caliper to get it out. Here it is. Alright, we're gonna get the new one in. I got the new one from eBay, £30, which is good. Nice brand, German. Alright, before we put the caliper back in, clean the pins and lubricate them. I use silicone grease, one like that. Just apply a little bit. Okay, so I put some copper grease around the ears of the pads before we put them back. Now we can put the new caliper in. So okay, new caliper is in. We're gonna put the brake pads, and also there is a difference between the calipers. So this one is the left side, and how to distinguish it: the bleed hose over here, or the exit to bleed the brakes, should be at the top, not at the bottom over here. Alright, so new caliper is in its place. Pads ear greased, Pins are greased as well. Let's put the pin back in. Alright, so 30 Newton meters. Let's do that. That's on 30. Lock it. Okay, that one's done. Okay, the torque is done. Last step is we'll need to bleed the brakes. To bleed the brakes, if you got a bleed kit, then you can connect it not to mess around. Unscrew the bit at the top where the hose is connected. Okay. And press the brake pedal 3 times. Look for the air to be pushed out. Okay, so you see there is no more air coming out. I'll close the line. And before you do that as well, open the reservoir, brake fluid reservoir under the bonnet. So now it's all good. All the air is pushed out, which I'm happy with. I'll just test it, test drive it, make sure it's working all right. And yeah, thanks for watching. Until next time.